Make a great choice today with the 2023 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.